Now let's talk about the rhomboid major and minor. We're considering them together. And then a little bit more superficially we'll talk about trapezius, the lower, middle, and upper trapezius. But first, the rhomboid. Rhomboid is a retractor. When it contracts, it'll bring the scapula closer to the midline. That's also called scapular adduction, but we want to think of it as retraction. The rhomboid major and minor insert on the vertebral border of the scapula, very much like the serratus, but on the back side instead of on the front side, and originates from upper thoracic vertebral segments, so that when this muscle contracts, it retracts. If it gets shortened, like happens sometimes after stroke or with spasticity in the retractor, it will hold the scapula in retraction and not allow protraction. So this muscle has to be long enough to allow full protraction by serratus anterior, and when it contracts it causes retraction. It also causes some downward rotation. So retraction and downward rotation where the glenoid is going down. This trapezius is thought of as three muscles, but this space is always filled in the real body. So we're thinking of it as the upper trapezius that inserts on the lateral angle of the scapula, the middle trapezius, which mostly goes straight over to the middle of the spine, and the lower trapezius going from lower thoracic segments up to the root or the beginning of the spine. So when upper and lower contract, we get upward rotation. When middle contracts, we get retraction.